In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a string to a date using Tableau. Whether you're crafting visual data stories or simply managing your data sets, being able to correctly transform data types is an essential skill. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure you can replicate it with ease. First, start by opening Tableau on your computer. If you're new to Tableau, it's a powerful tool that allows you to transform your raw data into compelling visual insights. Once the Tableau app is up and running, navigate to your desired workbook. A workbook in Tableau is akin to a spreadsheet file in Excel, containing sheets where your data and visual analytics reside. Here, we're assuming you have a dataset loaded that includes strings you wish to convert into date formats. Next, locate the specific field containing the string data you need to transform. These fields house your textual representations of dates. Perhaps they are text entries like January 5th, 2023, or concise formats like 01/05/23. Right-click on the field header for this data column. By doing so, you open a context menu rich with options pertinent to data manipulation and analysis. In this context menu, keep an eye out for the option labeled as Change Data Type. Clicking this option is a pivotal step in our conversion process. This menu offers various data type categories that Tableau can interpret, such as text, number, geographic details, and importantly for our task, date and time formats. From the list, you'll select Date and Time. This ensures that Tableau attempts a conversion of your string field into a format recognized as a date, which can include both the date and time elements if they are present in your strings. Taking this step also helps to standardize the data formatting, which is crucial for accurate data analysis and creating timelines or date-related graphs. And that's it. Just like that, you've transformed your string data into date format in Tableau. This is particularly helpful when you need to perform date-based analysis or create time series visualizations. Remember, if your strings don't convert properly, it might be due to the initial formatting of your strings. Always ensure your string follows a recognizable date format for a smooth conversion process. By mastering this skill, you're now better equipped to harness the full analytical power of Tableau. It's all about converting data insights into visual understanding. And with dates correctly formatted, you're one step closer to clarity in your data visualizations. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring, experimenting, and excelling with your data.